Hey, what's up guys, it's Johnson here and welcome back again to my channel. I am excited for today's video because we've got an awesome product to look at, so make sure you stick around till the end. So we got a smart dashcam here from Carlinkit. It's not a typical dashcam that you can find in the market. What makes this special is that this device has built-in Android system that will allow you to download tons of applications from Google Play Store. It has pre-installed Spotify, YouTube, and Netflix for you to enjoy while the dashcam is busy on its job recording videos in front of your vehicle. Alright guys, let's take a look what's inside the box. While I'm taking the plastic off, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of my future videos. So we got instruction manual on how to use this product. It's written in both English and Chinese. Of course, we have the Carlinkit TBox AR Smart Dashcam. It's made with plastic material, but it looks very solid and has very nice design. This product is equipped with 2 million pixels HD camera that can record up to 1080p high-definition video. It has 148-degree ultra-wide viewing angle with an aperture of f1.6. Also, as you can see here, it has heat vents on top and on the side to prevent the chip from heating. At the back of the product is where you can find the USB Type-C port to power up the device, which is located on the left. The center slot is where you put your SIM card, which supports 4G data connection. And the third slot is for microSD card, which supports up to 128 GB of storage. The camera can be adjusted up and down, so you can set your desired shooting angle. It has a strong adhesive, so it will stick into your windshield and won't fall even in the hot summertime. Okay, next we got here is the wire trim tool, which we can use to hide the wires when installing the dashcam. It also includes USB Type-C adapter. And lastly, we got the 3.5 meter data cable. Okay guys, before I install this product, let me give you a quick run through of the specifications. This dashcam has 2 megapixels HD camera that can record up to 1080p. It has 148-degree wide viewing angle and an aperture of f1.6. This device is running on Android 9 with Qualcomm SDM450 octa-core CPU. It has 4GB of RAM and a 64GB of storage, expandable up to 128GB via TF card. It has built-in Wi-Fi. It also supports 4G SIM card for your data or internet connection, and built-in GPS for your navigation. This is actually a 2-in-1 device, a combination of Carlinkit AI Box and a 1080p HD dashcam. It maintains the original AI Box functions, such as converting your car's factory-wired CarPlay into wireless connection. It has a standalone Android operating system, and you can switch easily between Android OS, wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and into your original car system. Alright guys, I think it's not a good idea to put this dashcam over here because it's going to block the driver's line of sight. And also, not a good idea on this side. What do you guys think? So after thinking where to place this dashcam, I have finally decided to install it here, and I think this is the perfect spot. Just right at the back of my rear view mirror. And this is how it looks from the outside. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it looks great to me. Alright guys, this is how I install it. I just routed the cable behind the heading of the vehicle using the wire trim tool. So from here to here, underneath the weather stripping, under the glove box, going to my USB port. So it's nice and clean and it's very easy to install. Okay guys, after installing the device and connected everything, as you can see here, my head unit becomes Android system. This system has also pre-installed load key application to display and view your dashcam recordings. From here, you can set your dashcam settings. Tap this icon right here to view all the settings. Okay, so from here you can choose between 720p and 1080p resolution. Enable and disable timestamps. Choose loop recordings from 1 minute, 3 minutes, or up to 5 minutes. Set desired frame rate from 25 or 30 frames per second. Enable and disable mic recording. And you can adjust collision sensitivity to off or from low to high. You can also delete all recorded files to free up memory, or even reset the dashcam itself. You can also set the language, time format, enable auto startup if you want the device to start recording automatically when the device is powered on. You can check and watch all your dashcam recordings by tapping this loop button here. So I've been driving around a while ago to test and check if this dashcam works, and I can say it's working properly. You can also take pictures by just tapping this camera icon right here, like if you want to get the license plate in front of you or whatsoever, and then you can view it from here. So that's the photo that we have taken. You can also lock the videos if you want, so that it will not be overwritten. All lock files will be on the emergency folder. You can also tap the screen if you want to see your dashcam recordings in full screen. So that's how the dashcam works. Okay guys, now let's dive into more exciting features. This device has pre-installed Google Maps. So it's fast and smooth as you can see here. And as I've said earlier, this device converts your factory wired CarPlay into wireless CarPlay. The setup is so easy. Just tap this AutoKit app right here. And just make sure to turn on your phone's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. And pair it to the device and just tap OK on all prompts which will appear on your phone screen. This is only a one-time setup and you don't need to do this all over again. So there you go. You now have a wireless Apple CarPlay. All your compatible apps will be displayed here. So same thing with Android Auto. Just tap the AutoKit app. Same process as we did on the iPhone or CarPlay. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Pair device and tap OK on all prompts which will appear on your Android smartphone. So there. Now we got wireless Android Auto. This is just a one-time setup as well. All compatible apps from your phone will be displayed here. Alright guys, now let's drive around so I can show you how this dashcam works and how it records video while driving. Let's open the Load Key app here. Okay, so as you can see here, it's already recording right now. And if you guys want a full screen view, all you have to do is just tap the screen. Alright guys, just so you know, even if you close the Load Key application or whatever you do on the screen, open an app, play music or movies, it will still continue to record videos. That's how this dashcam works. So basically we have a smart AI box and a dashcam in one device. You can do split screen, play music while your navigation maps on the side.
Take the next right toward Keewatin Street, then turn right onto Keewatin Street.
So personally, I like this product from Carlinkit. So if you guys want to get one, just click the link in my description or in the comment section down below. So that's pretty much it guys. Thanks for watching and I will see you again on my next video.